That was a quick one. I've dueled this guy before. Oh shit! I've dueled this guy before. Second ranked match of the night. We're doing it on Omega. Shit. Back with another ranked match. Whenever I post. If anyone likes to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video. I want to see the deck list. See the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the rings. Round 1. Dude, oh, I was hoping for this guy too. Last video, my settings, this was pretty high. You couldn't even hear my voice. I bumped it down. Usually it's like this. I went down 2. That's okay. I was hoping for alpha. I got alpha. Wow. That's crazy. Beta. Beta's effect. Dumping gamma. How the oh, I need to do this guy here. This. Benton. Gamma effect, delta, Benton, diviner. I don't. Where am I gonna go with this? Diviner of Herald effect. Send arc white effect. It's gotta be I to 10, yeah. It's I to 10. 10. I to 10. Gotta go for I to 10 here. Ah, shit. One of those over here. Out of 10's effects, gonna recycle. Now we could use it again. Actually, we're gonna go for Beatrice right there. Beatrice effect. Send. Detach and send and activate Yugioh. Banish those two. Add and add. I probably should have did this first. I went for ultimateness. And then attach the Zeta. Put them right here. Let's try. What the fuck was that? Go for the IP. This guy and this guy. Okay. Pretty good board. We'll set this. Too nimble. He's gonna draw him in a shotgun. Shit. Oh fuck, I'm gonna have to. Oh, wait a minute. Eva. And shit. Ben 10. Let's do wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. I don't even know what he's playing. Don't know what he's playing. I've dueled Fantastical before. I think he won last time. Don't recall. Whoa, the foe. Foolish alpha tribute, ultimateness, punch summon from the grave and defense activate effect, added rituals, monster. Ben 10. Zero, tribute, Ben 10, special summon from the head and defense, activate effect, add a ritual, spell, deck to hand, then 10 if it gets distributed, I get to add a light fairy from deck to hand, that is Divine Herald. Two plus level 1 monsters. Yugioh. DRYTRON, need bit of fast, meaning activate effect. Send to the graveyard. Gamma. Normal summon Divine Herald, activate effect. Send to the graveyard. Arclight. Arclight effect. Out of 10. Dang, I don't even have what's it called? Oh, okay. Let me go like this. Medium DRYTRON, I to 10. Zeta. Attach. Add a 10 effect. Add back. Medium DRYTRON. Dang, if I do that, I won't be able to do that. 2 level 6s. Beatrice. Activate effect. Detaching Herald. Diviner Herald. Sending Eva. Eva effect. Vanish. Herald of Arclight and Diviner Herald. To add Diviner Herald and Herald of the Orange Light. Okay. Stretch. Oh. Oh no, I can't do it. Damn it. I cannot do that. Yep, gamma. Tribute. Special summon. Activate effect. Special summon alpha. We're gonna go into IP for these two. Set. In phase. Tornado. He draws or activate Beatrice, detaching right at 10. Let's do it! Flawless victory. Perfect. Where were we? Let's check it out here. I don't remember. We're at 1183, 12, 13 now. 122. 123, we getting it. Comment, share, like, give a sub if you liked it. See you guys.